Some real Mike Tyson moves.
I got right a fucking way.
Huh?
I got right away.
I left you enough space, mate.
I've still got right away. Still ain't got to pull out. You're on fucking camera, mate.
Why are you sweating?
Can't deny it.
Why are you sweating?
That's how we talk.
Why are you sweating?
Yeah,
That's how I live, mate.
I left you enough space.
You fucking didn't.
Don't fucking swear. I was nice with you.
But pulling out, I mean, a big car.
Nice, I left you enough space.
I'll just
You're like 3 meters from me. You have a camera, I swear.
yeah. Have a look on YouTube. BD21FXO. What do you mean, dude? What do you want me to do? Roll backwards? Well, go back! I haven't got reverse, you fucking moron! What, you expect me to fucking roll backwards? You literally expect me to roll backwards, look. To where? Where can I go? Let's just see where I can go. But you know where I can go, and always got to go there. What are you doing? Let's have a look at this guy. What are you doing? Why don't you just move backwards?
No, I'm not moving back.
What?
I'm not moving back, you deaf. I'm not moving back.
You? Have you got issues or something?
Yeah, you.
What?
You. You get me? You.
What?
You.
Have you ever heard of the internet?
You got your camera.
Yeah, it's in 4K as well.
Yeah, whatever, man. Put on the internet.
Yeah, I will.
You're not.
Where am I supposed to move to? Where am I supposed to move to?
I don't give a where you fucking to move to.
Alright, mate, then. Yeah. Yeah, I got that, mate. Yeah.
Camera, put fucking internet.
Oh, I'm going to do that anyway.
I don't really care.
I'm going to do that anyway.
I don't care.
Okay?
I don't care.
Okay?
You can take it off. You can take it off. You can take the camera off.
Don't bring your hand
fuck.
Get away from me, you rat.
What?
Get away from me, you rat.
Who you
Get
are?
away from me, you rat.
You.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Where am I supposed to move to, you fucking moron? You come down here. You're drooling all over the place. You're drooling. You fucking dumb twat. But I don't know what he's expecting me to do. There's nowhere I can go. Yeah, where am I supposed to go? He's taking a video. Like, where am I supposed to go? Like, is this guy insane or something? The good thing is I've got nothing better to do all day, so I don't know what he's expecting me to do, but look, what am I supposed to do? What, reverse? I'm supposed to reverse. You want me to reverse? He wants me to reverse on a motorbike. Yes, I'm going to be that guy because I actually have nothing better to do today, so. Oh, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go the away from me. Get the away from me. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Go away from me.
You come down there.
Coming in. Coming in. Coming in. Coming in. You think you're big, man? Coming in. Heads. What do you think you're doing? Like a black man.
You guys want to ride? Yeah? Wait, what did you guys? Oh, bro. Oh my god. I don't mind. Oh, take good care of them. Oh my god. Maybe whenever you sober up. Whenever you sober up. Whenever you sober. Yo, what's going? This is gonna go Moto Madness. This is crazy. Oh my god.
PJ, get the fuck in before I kill you.
No, I can't. What happened? But what happened? What happened if you drop? Would?
I want you to take
Oh, you want me?
Yeah.
You don't even. I'm trying to tell her I have one helmet. I can't, you know, if something kept. Louder, isn't it? Jesus Christ. Fucking hell. That was a ridiculously close overtake from the bus. Oh, I ain't. Fuck's sake. Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus!
What was that for? What was that about? What was that about? What do you mean I was speeding? I sped because you tried to push me on the right hand side of the road. There was no need for that. That was just bloody dangerous. No, you were dangerous, mate. I was filtering past you and you didn't like it. You're a big baby because you're stuck in traffic. Enjoy your traffic jam, you child. Oh! Fucking hell. You walked out without looking, didn't you? There's a crossing there. There's a crossing. Fucking arsehole.
What was that? That was a bit close, wasn't it? Mate, you were no more than 2 foot away from my fucking leg. That was dangerous, that was, man. chill, man. Yo, sorry, man. Yo.
You're gonna get hot, Toss. You're gonna get
Go, yeah. I'm holding the back stable, yeah. I have no clue, man. Fucking twats. I have no idea, they just started pushing him around. Idiots.
That's it. Wait. No, wait. Done, man. Get here! Don't touch. No. Stop here! You come here! How many people do you were there? मैं पुतला मैं दसूंगा तेनू मैं पुतला तेरे पुतला
What the f, man?